Taught You TV. Hey guys, Tiara Ross here with my very first YouTube video. It's about time. I did this very cute, very simple, smoky brown eye look. It's very neutral, so you can wear it with just about anything. So if you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know every single time I post. So first and foremost, we're going to start off with these brows, honey. And today we're using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Pencil. Next, we're going to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Chestnut to carve out our brows. And next, we're going to grab our P. Louise eyeshadow base in Rumor 2. Alright, so next we're going to go into our Morphe x James Charles palette. And we're going to grab the shade No Beans and put that right on our lid. Now we're going to go into our Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and we're going to take the brown out of that palette and we're going to begin blending out the lid. So now we're taking the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Coco Naughty, and we're going to blend out the edges of our eyeshadow. So now we're going in with our Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer so our foundation can lay flat on the skin.
Hey y'all,
Now we're going in with our Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color Chai. Taking that same concealer we used to carve out our brows, and we're gonna highlight our cheeks, nose, and forehead. Now I'm just taking the butt of my sponge and blending away any harsh lines so the concealer will just blend right into the foundation. Taking my banana powder to set my under eye concealer. So now we're going back in with Coco Naughty, and we are going to bronze our face. I personally like to bronze more than contour because it's not as harsh. This step is optional because I know a lot of people don't like blush, but I'm taking the Juvia's Place Saharan palette and I'm just gonna rosy up my cheeks a little bit. Going in and setting my eyebrows because I forgot to do that earlier, but we're using the Benefit Brow Gel. I know, this mascara is cheap, honey, but I really like this because the brush is smaller and I don't have a lot of eyelashes to work with, and it does a good job of keeping my lashes separated. I'm just taking my Cork lip liner and lining my lips, and then I'm just going to fill in the middle with my e.l.f. liquid lipstick in the shade Blushing Rose. that is a permanent marker, y'all. I know I need to find something better. Yes, honey, that is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below what you would like to see from me in my next one.